too tight. Holy shit. Too tight. Whoa. Oh, hello YouTube, what's going on? Well, remember the interfering tobacco? I'll put a link to that video in the description. But we got a new one sitting up there on the shelf. We got the old one off. Show you guys what's going on here. And y'all can be the judge. So let's see how well the camera will pick this up. Yep. Let me get a pointer. So my finger's not in there. See that little bump right there? And that little bump right there? Well, if you flip this thing over, you have what we call nut certs, which there's a special tool you use to put these in. The interfering comes with them in it. But this is where, let me grab it. We'll set it up there for you. Okay. See that bracket right there? That is what mounts your interfering on a Road Glide to that right there. So what happened when the dealership broke the vent and screwed this one up, they broke it clear off, which is in the other video. They put a new interfering on. Well, when they put a new interfering on, you guys saw the little divots from them running the screws in too tight. Prime example. Right here. Let me get this positioned around here. I'm holding this with my hand. So, I want you guys to watch. See this Allen screw right here? There's the nut cert. Hold your media door or your media box in. And I'm going to show you guys what it's doing. See that? It is not supposed to do that. Now, let me find the tripod, set the tripod up real quick. So you guys see how that spun out, right? And I will get this off of there, just like that. Alright. Now, let's see here. Move you around. See if we can get y'all in focus. Alright, yeah. See how that's just spinning? Well, the way these work is there's a tool that when they install them, it screws in and then you squeeze it and it expands this, kind of like a rivet. And the little teeth in there is what grips it. Now, it's a good method to use on plastic and things of that nature. It really is. It's not that it's a bad method. It's that you get technicians who will use stuff like this to put stuff together. And when you put it together with something like that, you get a hammering jolt or a real hard jolt to the nutsert, which turns it clockwise a little bit, like that. And now what you've done is you've broken the seal. You can see from the plastic, they've broken the seal. This is the one that they put together. Brand new. Because they're in too big of a hurry to use a ratchet. They want to... Let's see if we can set you up here. Too big of a hurry. So they use power tools like this or ratchets, air tools. Air tools are really a thing of the past. Most people have cordless stuff, which is okay to use to take stuff apart. Putting it back together, stuff like this, absolute no. Because there's no reason that small of a screw should have been run down in there as far as it was to damage that thing the way that it did. Right there, it's tight. That's it. I mean, you cannot ever tighten this stuff because then you have problems. And then you lose customers. Because you don't want to take responsibility for it. That's the way I'll put that. They didn't want to take responsibility for it, and here's more evidence, which I will say, the new fairing sitting up there, I didn't pay a dime for it. You know, there's a whole debacle between me and the dealership, and I'm going to take this fairing back up to them, and I'm going to show her that right there and let her know you got a problem with your technicians. Alright? And I mean to be a dick, but I'm going to call you out on it. Valley Harley Davidson, you have a problem with your technicians, and you need to address it. The reason why you need to address it is because if you don't have a good service department, you're not going to sell bikes. You don't sell bikes, you're not going to be in business. Poor service, customers won't come back. Ask anybody out there. And social media is a powerful platform. Wish you guys the best of luck and hope you get stuff straightened out. Hopefully this will be a lesson for you guys. You know, and hopefully I can put this to rest. But it's a bad deal. It really is. I can honestly say that for the money that I spent at that particular dealership, I am very, very disappointed with the quality of workmanship, because that's what that's from. At the same time, as a technician myself, I appreciate you backing your technicians and standing up for them. However, there's a time and a place for that. You have to back them when the time's right, and you have to own their screw-ups when it's on them. And this was on them and your service manager. Hey, Y'all have a nice day. Remember, ride fast, live slow. We'll see you on the next one.